everyone, this is Yvette and I'm back with another manifesting technique to bring in abundance. If you're wondering how to bring in abundance, money, career, anything for the new year or anytime afterwards on a continuous basis, you landed on the right video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own money bag using simple things that are already in your home. Now listen, watch this video all the way to the end because you guys know I love to throw in extra tips that help you manifest or supercharge your manifestations. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, this is the manifesting, law of attraction, metaphysical channel that gives you easy to understand information so that you can put it into action and get results. So don't forget, if you want more videos like this, like, subscribe, and tap the bell to get notifications of my up and coming videos. Now, if you want to know how to make your own money bag for the new year, keep watching. I'm back, everyone. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about a money bag, and why is it so important to carry one with you? Now, a lot of people carry crystals around. They carry a cross, a horseshoe in their home. When we're starting out the new year, it is very, very wise that you put something in your possession that will attract abundance. And today we're going to talk about how to make your own money bag using simple things that are at your house. Now listen, this is something you can do in a couple of minutes and it absolutely works. But the thing is, as you're doing this, I am advising you to keep your thoughts positive, visualize yourself being, doing, and having whatever it is that you want. Say a prayer of abundance, like thank you God for blessing me with abundance. At this moment, I see more abundance coming to me to help myself, my family, and all those that I can help. I thank you God in advance for blessing me with abundance. And as I prepare this, I know this is blessed by the universe. And that is all you need to say in your own words. Now, what the next thing I would say, you need something to make your money bag with. Now, I have a sachet bag, an organza bag. You can use any of these type of bags, but I would prefer that you use something that's nothing slips through, okay? Because we're using spices. Now, the next thing is, if you don't have a bag, you can very well use a plastic bag, a sock, whatever you want to use. I tend not to use plastic. But if that's all you have, you go right ahead and use it. Don't start writing me, asking me, what can you put, what can you use? Be creative and use what you have. Now, what are the spices you're going to put in the bag? Now, my first spice that I would recommend to anyone would be cinnamon. Cinnamon is a natural attractor, everyone. When it comes down to manifesting or bringing things towards you, cinnamon will be one of the things that will be at the top of my list. Okay, so now you can use cinnamon powder, cinnamon chips, cinnamon sticks, whatever it is you want to use, because maybe you don't want to mess or maybe you don't have this type of bag. You can absolutely substitute for cinnamon is cinnamon. So cinnamon powder, cinnamon chips, you be the judge of what you want to use. The next thing that I would tell you that is a must for me in a money bag, it would be sea salt. Why sea salt? Sea salt not only is a cleansing, a clearer, a protector, it's also something that brings in abundance. If you're trying to make yourself a money bag, you want to keep as much negativity away from this item. And the best way of doing it is with sea salt. Now, the next thing that I would tell you to use in your money bag would be basil, everyone. You guys know on this channel I give you a whole lot of information on manifesting techniques. And today I'm giving you all these herbal spices that are very good at attracting abundance. Basil is another herb that I would place at the top of my list when it comes down to manifesting abundance. Now, the next thing I would tell you to have is a nutmeg. If you watched my videos before, nutmeg is one of the things that I keep at my front door. So basically, to put in your money bag, I would always suggest a nutmeg. Now, this could be nutmeg powder or it could be a whole nutmeg. Now, other than that, the next thing I would tell you to use is bay leaves, everyone. Okay, now I'm not telling you that you need all of these things. Go to your house and look and see what you have and use what it is that you have. But I'm giving you some of the things that you can use. Now, the bay leaf, a lot of people write me and say, Yvette, the bay leaf, after it gets old, it crumbles up. This is the perfect time to take those pieces that have been crumbled at the bottom of your bag and use it in your money bag, okay? I'm going to give you guys some extra tips on this, okay? Now, another 2 spices that you can use to substitute in your money bag will be allspice, is another attractor, and you can also use sesame seeds, okay? Sesame seeds. Okay, now I'm not telling you again to use all these things. I'm giving you some ideas of what you can place in your money bag. Now, the last 2 things that I would tell you as an extra tip to help supercharge your money bag would be a crystal, okay, or crystals. One of the main crystals that I would use in a money bag is a pyrite. It's called fool's gold, okay, and it is a pyrite. I would place this in my money bag, okay? You can also use citrine, which is also a money stone. You can use green aventurine, jade, whatever it is that attracts abundance that you like to use, you can throw a crystal in here. Another thing you can do, you can throw a clear crystal quartz in here to help supercharge whatever it is you're placing in here. Now, the last thing that I would tell you, the last 2 things that I would tell you that you should place in your money bag is some type of form of money, okay? This can be $1, it could be coins, you know, quarters, nickels, dimes, pennies, but something to represent money will need to go into your money bag. Okay, so use the smallest thing you have. If it's $1, use $1. If it's a couple of quarters, nickels, and pennies, put that in here. But the whole thing is that I do want you to put some type of form of money in the wallet. Now, the last thing that I would tell you to do with your money bag, and that would be add a little money oil. You know, if you don't have this, it's okay. But if you have anything like holy oil, money attracting oil, whatever it is, abundance oil, you can place 2 or 3 drops in the bag, okay? And that's all it is. Now, before you finish, I would hold this bag in my hands and I would set the intent for this bag to do whatever it is that I wanted to do. I would envision myself attracting large sums of money and say, thank you, God, for blessing me with large sums of money. Thank you, God, for blessing me with expected and unexpected money coming my way. Thank you, God, for blessing me with opportunities to increase my money. As I am sitting here making my money bag, I know that I am protected the whole year through and forevermore. And you're going to take this, so it is, and place it in your wallet, or you can place it in your pocketbook or wherever else. Men, you can place it in your back pocket. You can place this in your car, carry it around with you, put it in whatever it is you have around you. Place this there, okay? And it's just that simple, everyone. I just told you how to make a powerful money bag to attract nothing but abundance on a continuous basis for this year and many years afterwards. So again, this is Yvette. If you like this video, don't you forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. Anything you want to know about my world of metaphysics is in the description. If you want coaching or reading, or you want to buy any of these supplies that I just mentioned, please look in the description, go to the website, the store, everything is there, and namaste.